Now, let's talk about graphs of functions. It's very similar to graph an equation that we did in the previous sections. To graph a function, we find the order pairs x, y, or equivalently f of x. This y and this f of x are the same things. It represents the same things. So first you find order pairs, then plot them and connect the points. So that we did earlier in the previous sections. Now, y and f of x are used interchangeably. That is, y is equal to f of x. And sometimes you will see the symbol for this. It also represents f of something, okay? For this case, it represents f of x. Because sometimes we use t instead of x, so it could be f of t, so y equal to f of t. And this f right here is corresponding to f of t. But if we specify as f of x, if we see f right here, it means f of x, okay, correspondingly. So here's the example. Graph the function g of x equals 3x. This is very similar to what we did in the past, graph y equals 3x. And if you remember the form, the pattern, this is x raised to the first power. Same thing for y. And it is in the form y equals mx plus b, or ax plus by equals c. Okay, so it's a line, a linear equation is a line. So we know ahead of time that this turned out to be a line, okay? So remember, to graph a line, you need at least 2 points. That's all you need, 2 points. So g of x is just like y, okay? So let's start with 2 points. Pick easy point like 0, 1. The reason I picked the third point just for verification, okay? Now what if we did not calculate one of the first 2 points correctly? Then we'll see these 3 points are not aligned to each other. It won't generate a line. So when x equals 0, okay, so when x equals 0, g of, remember, you replace this x equals 0 to the x right here. So 0, 3 times 0, which is 0. So when x is 0, g of x equals to 0. When x equals to 1, g of 1, right? Replace x. 3 times 1, which is 3. So when x equal to 3, replace 3 for x. We have 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay? So now we have 3 order pairs, 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 9. We can grab it. So x, grab it in the xy plane, because we have 2 variables. For this order pair, when x equals 0, y equals 0. So actually start the origin. Remember the origin is where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect. So this is the origin, the point 0, 0. X equals 1, y equals 3. You know what? Let me make it the scale smaller because it's extend to 9. So you know what? Let me increasing the positive y because go up to 9 for y. Now this time, because we use this notation, I will put g of x. Okay, it means y, same thing. But for the purpose of learning what a function is, we use the notation g of x. So g of x, 0, 0, right here. X equals 1, y equals 3, somewhere here. When x equals 3, 1, 2, 3, y equal to 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So up here, okay, go to the right 3 units, go up 9, so you have the point 3, 9. Now, We plot all these points. Now we connect them. Okay, you see the line. Okay, they are aligned to each other.